What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. back with another video, man. Hey, on today's video, we're gonna install the Skar amp in the wiring kit to set up the system that I got going on. So we're gonna take all the old wiring out, put the new stuff in, and see what we got. So I'll cut y'all off and cut y'all back on in 1 second. Alright, so yeah, if you seen the other video, you seen the unboxing on this Skar amp right here, the 800. We're gonna be installing that. This is the old amp I had in. It's an old 2006 amp I had borrowed from my buddy to see if them 8s would hit. But you see how big this amp is? It's 2006. It's an old amp. Look how big that thing is. And look how small this 800 amp is. Very small. It's technology, man. We changed. But anyway, I gotta get all this stuff out the trunk. All this little cracker wiring I had in here when I was just trying to have something to see what I got. But we're gonna pull all this old wiring out. Boom, boom. We're gonna use this Skar kit right here. We're gonna run it all through the system. We're gonna get it together, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got going on. So give me a minute, let me set up. I gotta go through, the car and pull the wire out on both sides. But just give me a minute, I'm gonna set you guys up and we're gonna get started. Alright, so we got this side down. The wire pulled out on this side. I'm gonna switch to the other side. I'm gonna cut you guys back on in a minute, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we back YouTube. I took the wires down on this side from the back. I took the part of the back seat out, pulled the wires out. So I'm gonna start on the front side, which is taking out the radio, taking out the old amp wiring kit and putting a new one in. So just give me a minute, disassemble it, and I'm gonna cut you back on. Alright, so yeah, got my radio loose. Yeah, I made a bracket to go in the G.D.I.Y. It's a double D. They ain't had no bracket for them at the time when I put this in. Got all my little wires. Yeah, they look crazy, but I know what they is. So anyway, I'm about to open this up, start taking the wiring out, plug it in, run it to the back, and I'll cut you guys back on. I don't want to bore y'all with that. A lot of y'all, if you know how to install audio or whatever, man, you know what I'm about to do. But just give me a minute. I'm gonna run that. All right, get on to the decks. Got the lines ran back there on both sides. Got a ramp back there coming out. It's pretty much where my amp gonna be somewhere over there, so I just got the wires hanging down. Amp gonna be somewhere over there. And got it going through the firewall with the Harley coming out right here, boom. It's about where my fuse gonna be at, somewhere in here. And then I have it running to the battery. boom, and we should be in. So I'm gonna cut y'all on and update y'all in a second. All right, so yeah, we back. I had ran the wires, man. Just disregard all that because I'm actually troubleshooting. It was on lighting, but it wasn't getting no sound. So I gotta troubleshoot what that is, but everything is pretty much hooked up. So I'm troubleshooting right now. I had my stuff hooked up, had everything ready, but had something weird going on. So I'm gonna troubleshoot that, and when I do that, I let you guys know. But I don't know when y'all see this back on, but I gotta troubleshoot this, so I'll cut y'all back on for a second for y'all. I don't know how long it's gonna be for me. All right, YouTube, we back. I got everything wired up. That's just how it's looking for now. I move it around, whatever, yada yada, but it's wired up, man. Lights in there, and it's doing what it do. I can't play too much. Cause hell, I don't want to get copyrighted. Really, I ain't gonna play nothing. Just trust me when I say it's it now. Everything wired up, done up. It was my remote wire. I just needed to get a better connection. But so yeah. Anyway, like I say, I ain't no professional audio installer, but I can do anything I put my mind to. So. You know what I'm saying? Don't be afraid to do it. All I can tell y'all is sometimes when y'all get backed up, you don't know where to start. You got to do it yourself. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. And we out. Don't forget to subscribe.